Ever pull clothes out of the dryer and somehow they still look wrinkled? At that point, laundry starts feeling like a scam, because now you're drying clothes, just to iron them again afterward. That's exactly why steam dryers became such a huge upgrade, because modern dryers don't just dry clothes anymore. The best ones can reduce wrinkles, refresh fabrics, remove odors, and honestly make laundry feel way less annoying. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best steam dryers you can buy right now. From reliable everyday machines to premium smart dryers packed with high-end features. And trust me, the #1 pick feels like luxury laundry technology. Links to every dryer are down below. Let's get started. At number 5, the Maytag MED7230HW. This dryer is built for people who want strong performance without dealing with complicated features. And honestly, that simplicity is part of the appeal. The large drum capacity handles bigger laundry loads easily, while the steam-enhanced cycles help reduce wrinkles and refresh clothes fast, especially useful when you don't have time to iron. One of the biggest highlights is the extra power button. It boosts drying performance for thicker fabrics like towels, hoodies, and bedding. The controls are also simple and easy to understand, which makes everyday use feel straightforward instead of frustrating. And thanks to the sensor drying system, the dryer automatically adjusts cycle times to help prevent overdrying. That matters because too much heat slowly destroys fabrics over time. For busy households wanting dependable performance with practical steam features, this is a really solid starting point. At number 4, the Samsung DVE5 3BB8900D. Samsung packed this dryer with smart features that make laundry feel much more modern. The steam cycles work especially well for refreshing lightly worn clothes and reducing wrinkles before work, dinners, or events. But the biggest advantage here is convenience. The large capacity handles bulky loads easily, while the smart connectivity lets you monitor and control cycles directly from your phone. And honestly, the design looks great. This dryer has a sleek, premium look that instantly upgrades the feel of a laundry room. But despite all the technology, the interface stays surprisingly easy to use. For people who want smart features combined with strong, everyday performance, this dryer delivers a very balanced experience. At number 3 is the LG DLEX4000W. This dryer focuses heavily on efficiency and fabric care. The steam technology does an excellent job reducing wrinkles and refreshing clothes without requiring a full wash cycle, which becomes incredibly useful for dress shirts, jackets, and lightly worn outfits. But what really stands out is the intelligence behind the drying system. Built-in sensors constantly monitor moisture levels and automatically adjust drying times. That helps clothes dry more evenly without unnecessary heat exposure, and that's important, because excessive heat is one of the fastest ways to ruin fabrics over time. At number 2, the GE Profile PTD90EBPTDG. This dryer feels designed for people who absolutely hate ironing, because the steam and wrinkle care features here are seriously impressive. Clothes come out looking smoother, fresher, and much less wrinkled with very little effort. The large drum also handles oversized loads comfortably, including bedding and heavier laundry. But one of the biggest strengths is customization. You get a wide range of drying modes, fabric settings, and smart adjustments that let you fine-tune performance depending on exactly what you're drying. But taking the number 1 spot, the LG DLEX8900B. This dryer honestly feels like the future of laundry. Everything about it feels premium. The massive capacity, the advanced steam cycles, the AI-powered drying system. It all feels incredibly high-end. The steam performance is excellent for reducing wrinkles and refreshing fabrics. But what really makes this dryer special is the intelligence. Built-in sensors automatically detect moisture levels and fabric conditions, adjusting heat and timing for more precise drying results. That means clothes come out dry, soft, and far less likely to suffer heat damage over time. The dual inverter heat pump system also improves efficiency, while helping the dryer run quieter than many traditional models. So, Which steam dryer would you choose? The dependable Maytag, the smart Samsung upgrade, or the ultra-premium LG powerhouse at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more appliance and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.